I want to talk through what it looks like. So after you send proposals, eventually you're going to get responses, and then what happens then. And essentially, all you want to do is push for a call. So you need to follow the sales process. You push for a discovery call, you have a chat with them, and the sales process is a lot easier on Upwork because you're not coming in cold, it's warm. They've selected you as a candidate that's potentially a good fit to do what they want to do. And yeah, so essentially what you want to do is, so before I would send Calendly links, but nowadays I don't usually send Calendly links because it's against the Upwork's terms of service. So I would recommend to just schedule a call on using Upwork, using one of these buttons here. So you just press create a call. So you're gonna get a lot of responses. And again, guys, I'm not just teaching a course of things that don't work. Obviously, this does work, as you can see. That yesterday, this is even today. Hey Andrew, I'm interested. Blah blah blah. Happy to have a call. You're my top pick, and I sent a response. So this particular response is because he sent me a video, and on that video, it had questions and things like that. So I sent my response. But as you can see, every day, I've got a call scheduled for 8 p.m. This is someone that I just earned some money from. Yes, potentially. See, and I'm not so eager to hop on a course because business owners don't like to get on calls. So I'd rather ask questions first before I hop on a call. So don't be too quick to hop on a call. And if you're going to use a Calendly link, I always say you should change the link to intro through Upwork. That's what I'll do. So I don't really send Calendly links because I'm not really, Upwork's a great asset to me. I'm not really trying to put that in jeopardy. So, but yeah, I would always recommend putting intro through Upwork, so at least if someone checks the messages, they know that you're going through Upwork. So yeah, I just going down here. This actually was a scam. I should probably block this guy. Let me just double this message because it contained an email address. Blah blah blah. All right, cool. Have you started cold email yet? See, and I don't even respond to everyone. That's how much leads that I get here. Sometimes I don't even respond to messages. Yeah, I'm just scrolling down here, as you can see. See update. Just keep going. Cold email project manager. Yeah, so I just go into my client's account here. As you can see, constantly get. It's very easy to set up a call, and I just recommend. Sometimes you might have to have a little back and forth, but I just recommend overall, just getting a call in there and then going through the discovery call process.